Welcome to Tiny World. Hey folks, how's everyone doing? Feeling all healed up yet? In today's video, we're diving into the behind-the-scenes process of creating these Tiny World videos and how to make the best use of AI tools. And guess what? Not many people are exploring this niche, whether on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So, if you're interested, now's the perfect time to jump in. Step 1. Getting your prompts. Let me ask you a question. When using AI to create a new video, what's the toughest part? If you said writing prompts, you're not alone. Crafting the right prompts can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I've prepared a set of pre-made Tiny World video prompts just for you. You can grab the full prompts in the Google Drive link. Feel free to add your own creative touch and bring your ideas to life. Believe in yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Step 2. Generating image and animation prompts. Once you have your prompts, it's smooth sailing from here. Here's what to do. Head over to ChatGPT, find a few similar images and drag them into the chat. Enter your prompt. Pro tip. Reverse engineering prompts is a great way to refine your results. Use this technique wisely. Boom! That's when the magic of AI kicks in, generating both image and animation prompts. How cool is that? Step 3. Generating images. Today, we'll use Pika and AI. If you've watched my previous videos, you're probably familiar with it. But if you're new here, don't worry, it's super easy. Sign up with your email. It's free. Click Launch App. Paste your prompt and hit Generate before hitting Generate. Make sure to select the right model and aspect ratio. Model Pika Art 5GS. 1 aspect ratio 9:16. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. Once you're happy with your images, download them to your computer. Step 4. Generating animations. Now let's animate. Head over to Kling AI. Upload your images, enter the animation prompt, click Generate. Since Kling AI has been a bit slow lately, I pair it with Hailuoai AI to save time. Pro tip. Running low on credits? Just create a few extra accounts. Step 5. Upscaling your video clips. To give your viewers the best experience, boost the clarity of your videos using CapCut. Find the Magic Tools section. Click on Video Upscaler. Upload your video and hit Upscale. A few clicks and bam! Your video is crisp and sharp. Step 6. Editing your video. Before we start editing, we'll need sound effects. Download from Pixabay. Background music. Find tracks in YouTube Studio or use popular music on your phone. Now open CapCut and follow these steps. Import your video clips and music. Drag the clips to the timeline. Trim them and adjust the speed. Add sound effects and background music. Apply filters for a polished look. Export your masterpiece, final touches and more prompts. Take a step back and admire your work. How's it looking? If you want more prompts, just hop back into ChatGPT, ask for a new theme, and it'll generate fresh ideas for you. Pretty cool, right? That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have any questions or need a tutorial on something else? Drop a comment below. You can also visit my channel's homepage for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.